In order to change the chips in some of our Xerox drum and toner cartridges, you may need some of the following tools. We recommend using a 5.5mm nut driver, which you can purchase through us, for some of the screws. You will also need a Phillips screwdriver, and you may need a flathead screwdriver or flathead bit to prise up some of the chips, and or a pick tool or a small thin Allen key to push through some of the tabs. I will show you how to do that in the next part. Most of the Xerox graphic arts machines take toners that look like this. They will have a screw and clip which the chip sits in. You can remove the screw using a 5.5mm nut driver, like so, or a Phillips screwdriver. You remove the screw, prise up the clip, pull back, and that releases the clip. The chip sits inside here. To remove the chip, you will need to prise forward these two plastic tabs. Take 2 fingers, place them behind the tabs, pull back and slide the chip up. This releases the chip, which you can discard. Then take your new chip and slide back into place. Placing the chip holder is as easy as sliding the clip back in and refitting the screw. We will now show you how to replace the chip in a WorkCentre or AltaLink drum cartridge. These are slightly tricky as you need to slide the chip forward whilst also sliding over the retaining tabs. The easiest way is to use a flathead screwdriver or bit, but make sure it is quite a thin bit and place on the edge of the chip, prise up and slide out, releasing the chip. To reinstall, simply slide the chip back into place, pushing over the tabs. We will now show the removal of a chip from a drum cartridge for machines such as the 560, C60, 250, 700, C75 or J75, most of the older graphic arts machines. You won't need a tool for this, you will just need a fingernail. The chip is located at this end. It slides in a small slot here and the chip is visible between the 2 slots. There is a single prong in the middle which you can prise up with a finger and then simply tilt the drum up and the chip will drop out. To replace the chip, simply slide into the slot, making sure that the clip's under the tab. The last one we are going to show you is a toner chip for a WorkCentre or AltaLink machine. This is slightly more involved as you need a specialist tool to remove the tabs. I have here a very thin Allen key or a pick tool which you can buy on the internet. This is a dentist pick tool. There are 2 tabs holding the chip in place. You will need to press these down while simultaneously pulling the chip out. I will demonstrate. We push down on the tabs so the chip is released and then the chip slides out. To slide back in, it is just a case of pushing the tabs back into position and sliding the new chip back in. This is just a small selection of the chips we sell on EcoChips. If you would like information on any other brands or manufacturers or chip types, please contact us. Thank you.